the bags didn't fly away, and I just made sure I was paying attention to the plate while I was taking bites, so the wind didn't take it away as well. Nice day otherwise though. I almost forgot that I was going to the post office. Hopefully the wind isn't coming in. I don't have a wind guard on either camera, so hopefully. The only bummer of not using my vlog setup, that at least has the microphone with the wind dampener, and it's a pretty good microphone for however much I pay for it. Pretty fair. Yeah. Ooh. Going to the post office, even though they're closed. Hopefully it's open. Usually it is 24/7 or near that, but I had 1 or 2 times, maybe 3 times, where they weren't open on a day they might normally be open. So I'm cautiously optimistic since I'm aware of such tomfoolery. Ooh. Ooh. The wind is it's a headwind as well as coming from the right, so that's no fun. It's like double. Rather it come from behind. Now I just kind of rode into it, so it's not as bad. Beep beep, toot toot. Hello. All right, let's see. Ooh. I also had to walk up a couple of the inclines I usually ride up because my shorts were falling more than they normally do. Normally they fall because I had to take the drawstring out because it got pushed to one side last year, and that isn't the wisest person. It may have been in the shot to my left. That's the police station. That's the police department. And that person turning left, and the Chevy SUV ran the stop sign. If only there was a cop right outside. All right, let's see. Will this little box fit? Too many thingies. Too many clasps. I have one on my helmet. I have one on my backpack. I have one on my chest mount. Alright. Let's see. Will it fit in this one? It fits in this one. Take it over here. Might as well go to the post office. It's right here. The next building. Right here. I'm not gonna go inside. Can I do the drive-through? I don't want to turn my cameras off. Forgot about that. Ow. It all looks like they're open. Ish. Alright. Oh, that's wonderful. I love small boxes sometimes. Ooh! Guess I'm gonna go home now. It's been a while since I ate. I sat at the park for like half an hour ish. I think that dude just came out of the parking lot. And now he's going back in. What a weirdo. Alright. This is not going to be fun going home due to the shorts malfunction. Guess something happened. I lost some weight somewhere because they're falling quicker than normal. Maybe the new bike helped. I was riding it for a week, 6 days straight. I went on a 60-mile ride on Saturday, which was kind of annoying. I was annoyed with my chest cam because, as I mentioned earlier, I did the shutter turn on and it just did pictures, but I didn't notice, and I thought I was taking video because I checked it before I left, and it did 2 videos, and then it was taking pictures. So I turn it on when I get home, and I have like 1,500 pictures. No joke. The first batch was 999, and then there was like 600 more, something like that. So that was annoying. Never had that happen. And the time I've had the camera, it's always just taking video, especially since it had, whether I tested it or not, it always took video, so that's why I was relying on it. But the part that was annoying and frustrating is I purposely tested it out. 2 different, I did one for like 5 seconds, did another for like 8 or 9 seconds, and it was all good. So I don't know how it switched modes while it was turned off. That was bizarre. Ugh. Okay. And this is a video. I just made sure, even though I made sure when I first turned it on. So that was no fun. We're on a 60-mile ride and I'd never been there before. So I was excited for the video to watch it and upload it. And then it was just a bunch of pictures, which is cool, but not what I wanted. Guess I'll have to do it another day and make sure I'm actually in video mode. But a nice 60-mile ride is always cool. I was glad